A tank, when full, can contain 1500 liters of water. Pump A can fill water into the tank at a rate of X liters per minute. Write down an expression in terms of X for the number of minutes. Total volume is given and X liters per minute. This is your first answer. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Second part says pump B can fill the water into the tank at a rate of X plus 50 liters
1500
per minute.
over X plus 50.
Yes, 1500 over X plus 50. Third part says
फिर
if
आपने
pump
1500 liters को divide by x क्यों किया और divide by x plus 50?
But this is 1500 liters and X is liters per minute. And the question says total how many minutes. So when you divide liters with liters per minute, may I write this like this?
Okay.
And liters will cancel out, you are left with minutes. That was the demand of question. Total volume divided by rate, you get the total time. Third part says if pump A takes 30 minutes longer than pump B, this was A, this was B, and A takes 30 minutes longer. So may I say the difference between the time is actually 30 minus 1500 over X plus 50 is equals to 30. Any confusion with this?
Sir, why did you like wrote x first and x plus 50 after that?
Read the third line. It says if the pump A takes 30 minutes longer, it already said that A is larger. A is taking 30 minutes more than pump B. It is given in the question. And also we can see that 1500 divided by X is a larger number than 1500 divided by X plus 50 because the denominator is smaller in case of A.
Okay.
So now you have this equation. This looks like question number 5, exercise 1D. So just simplify. This is X times X plus 50. When we take the LCM, this becomes 1500 times X plus 50 minus 1500 times X is equals to 30.
So they will be deducted x and x plus 50.
Yeah, just simplify.
So it will be
1500.
cancelled out.
Yes. Someone kindly use your calculator. I don't have it right now. 1500 times 50.
Sir, 75,000.
Thank you. 75,000 minus 1500x. And in the denominator, we have x square plus 50x is equals to 30.
So where did 1500x came from?
Multiply these.
Sir, why are you multiplying? Why don't you just like cancel them? X plus 50 cancelled with x plus 50.
You can cancel them. You can cancel them after you multiply them. Before that, it is inside the bracket. Follow the rule, BOD mass. Okay. Ultimately, it
हमने
cancels
पहले
out.
भी तो किया बस रहा कि when there is a bracket तो हम उसको बाद में काट लेते थे, डिडक्ट कर लेते थे.
बाद में, पहले नहीं.
तो पहले मल्टीप्लाई करना है फिर लाइक
जी.
कैंसिल करना.
G. G. Now cross multiply. This is 75,000 equals 30x square and 3 5 times 15 and 2 zeros 1500x. Rearranging 30x square plus 1500x is equals to 70 minus 75,000 is equals to 0. And all these are divided with 30. So you're left with x square plus 50x is minus, divide this with 30, 2500, I guess,
Yes, sir.
is equals to 0. Now choice is yours, either midterm breaking or completing square or quadratic formula. G.
The 30.90. I think so.
Quadratic formula minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4a and c over 2a. So this is minus 50 plus minus square of 50 is 2500, and 2500 into 4 is 10,000.
There is 111.80.
111.80. So that's your answer.
No, no. We have to first add it with minus 50.
सर दो
Are
आंसर्स
you,
नहीं आएंगे?
but are you giving me the final answer?
No, sir. Just one. It's the like square.
उसको
सर
simplify कर.
सर इसके दो आंसर्स नहीं आएंगे?
जी सर.
एक
एक माइनस
बेटे
में आएगा
दो
बट
दो ही आते हैं. यू डू गेट टू आंसर्स. मैंने आपको बताया मेरे पास इस वक्त हाथ में कैलकुलेटर नहीं है. -50 प्लस माइनस स्क्वायर रूट 12500 ओवर 2. अब बताएं दो आंसर्स. वन विद द पॉजिटिव नंबर, अदर विद नेगेटिव. कैलकुलेटर यूज करें, आंसर बताएं.
सर वन is 30.9.
30.9.
Second is minus 80.9.
-80.9. इसको रिजेक्ट कर दें
जी
because
सर.
time cannot be negative. So you have these values for x. Next it says giving your answer correct to two decimal places. Two decimal places बता दें. 30.990.
0.
So find the time taken for pump B to fill the tank. Time for pump B was 1500 over x plus 50. So this is
This is 30.9.
1500 over 30.9 plus 50, and that is 1500 over 80.9. Answer
18.54.
18.54. Then there is furthermore, the question says giving your answer in minutes and seconds. So we change 18.54 minutes to minute and second. This is 18 complete minutes, and 0.54 minute are equal to 0.54 into 60 seconds. And what does this come?
32.4 seconds.
32.4. So this is 18 minute and 32 second.
So where did the 0.54 came from?
But I've split it these. 18 were complete minutes, then there were 0.54 minutes. यहाँ से आया.
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you do the question 13 as well?
Two weeks before Nora went to New York for a holiday, she exchanged $2,000 to US dollars. At Sammy's money exchange at a rate of $1 is US $1 equals Singaporean X dollars. And then write down the expression in terms of X for the amount
सर
of
हमारा
US
आंसर
dollar
गलत
she
आया है.
received. Sammy's money exchange. क्या आंसर है बेटे?
सर हमारा 18 minutes 32 seconds आया. सर पीछे आंसर में लिखा हुआ है 3 minutes 38 seconds.
कैलकुलेटर दोबारा यूज करें.
Sir, वो 15
This is 150,000.
हमारे से वो ये हमारा ये है.
Let me see. X square plus 50 minus 1500,000. A tank
सर
full
उन्होंने
contains
पीछे 30
1500
ओवर
liters.
60 लिखा हुआ था सर पीछे उन्होंने आंसर मैंने जब लाइक वर्किंग चेक करा था टीचर्स रिसोर्स पे तो उन्होंने इक्वल टू 30 डिवाइड बाय 60 लिखा हुआ था
बेटे मैं चेक कर लूँ क्वेश्चन, एक मिनट रुकिएगा. A tank when full contain 1500 liters and x liter per minute. 1500 liter x liters per minute. So you get in minutes. Pump B is x plus 50 liters per minute, and the difference between them is if pump A takes 30 minutes longer. When you divide, you get this x into x plus 50, 1500, 1500x, and 1500 times 50. 15 5 times is 75,000, and so on. Is equals to 30. When you multiply this 500, 1500, so this is 1500x, 30x square, and it's 75,000. This reduces to 15,000. But till now I can't find any mistake in this. I'll go through this and upload the solution as well. 1500 is twice of 75,000. 15,75,000. नहीं, यही आ रहा है. Can you see any mistake?
सर लेट मी टेल यू समथिंग सर जो उसके आंसर्स है ना वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है सर 1500 डिवाइड बाय x माइनस 1500 डिवाइड बाय x प्लस 50 यहाँ तक सही है इज इक्वल टू 30 ओवर 60 उसके
वो
बाद उनका
hours
आंसर
में
सही है
change कर.
उसके बाद सर उनका आंसर सही आया है 3 मिनट्स
30
38 सेकंड्स
30 over 60 उन्हें hours में change कर रहे हैं. Find the time taken for pump B to fill the tank completely. Give your answer in minutes and seconds. ठीक है, हो गया. Fill the tank completely. This is 1500 over this. It took this much minutes. Liters x plus. नहीं बेटे इसमें गलती कोई नहीं है. मैं इसको दोबारा सॉल्व करूँगा. I'll upload it. यहाँ पर देखें कोई आपके सामने प्लस माइनस की भी गलती नहीं हुई. LCM is fine, difference is fine. It gives 30. It takes 30 minutes longer than pump B to fill the tank completely. 30 minutes longer than pump B. The difference is 30. 30x square. 50x into 30 is 1500. 15 into 5 is 75,000. ना बिल्कुल ठीक जा रहा है. I'll check this again and get back to you soon. और बताएं क्वेश्चन.
सर हमारे रिड्यूस भी माइनस 1500 को नहीं हो रहा
कि मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ ना, अभी आपको यहाँ पे कोई गलती नजर आ रही है?
नहीं सर कोई
तो कोई नहीं है ना. मैं आपसे ये कह रहा हूँ, मैं इसको चेक करूंगा और आपको दोबारा इस पर शेयर कर दूंगा. और बताएं.
So 13.
सर 13 कर लें.
13. 2 weeks before Nora went to New York for a holiday, she exchanged Singaporean dollars into US dollars at Sammy's money exchange at a rate of $1 equals S Singaporean dollars. Write down an expression in terms of X for the amount of US dollars she received when Sammy's money exchange. Singaporean dollar पूछ रहे हैं तो you just have to make it subject. X से divide कर दें 1 over X. Already given है. This is question 13, and you have US dollar 1 is equals to Singaporean dollar Singaporean dollar X. Singaporean dollar X, and Write down an expression in terms of X for the amount of US dollars she receives from, so straight away it is 1 over X. If she is giving 1 Singaporean dollar, US ratio Singapore, when you give 1, you get X. So whatever dollars she's giving, she'll get this. So you cross multiply and get your answer. So you're dividing it with X. So 1 over X is your first answer. Second says 1 week before her holiday, she exchanged another dollar 10,000 to US at money exchange at the rate of this. So now the rate has been increased. Write down an expression in terms of X for the amount of US dollars he received from Chang's money exchange. So the amount was 1,000 and the conversion rate is X plus 0.05. Then it says if Nora received a total of 2370 from two money exchanges, formulate an equation in X and show that it reduces to this. So 1 week before her holiday, she exchanged another 1,000. So first 1,000, when she's exchanging her first 1,000, she's getting this, and in her second exchange, she's getting this. First exchange in red, second in green, and
इसमें
then
दोनों
the
भी
total
plus added.
plus करके added, and the total she gets is
370.
2370. बस इसको simplify करेंगे, you will get this quadratic equation. X into X plus 0.05. This is 1,000 times X plus 0.05. Then this is 1,000. X is equals to 2370. Just simplify and you will get that equation. Fourth part is to give answers to two decimal places quadratic formula. And third is find the exchange rate between these two. The exchange rate was in the first line, this before the question, that it is dollar X. So when you get the value of X, that is the exchange rate.
Okay, sir.
By chance money exchange, sorry, this is the second one. So you place the value of X here and you add 0.05 to it.
सर CIs में भी इस तरह के कॉम्प्लेक्स आती हैं फॉर प्रॉब्लम्स?
नहीं,
इसमें आसान आएंगी?
sort of 90% of this. It depends. If the question, like suppose you have this word problem in CIs, if that is hard, some other question will be easier.
Okay, sir.
Okay, और
Sir?
कुछ है? जी जी.
सर पहले आपने 1 over x लिखा था, 1000 लिख दिया सर, तो मेरे से एक्सप्लेन करिए 1000.
जी जी जी. But if first they were asking for 1 over x, if I can show you in this circle, they were asking for 1 over x, but then the question changed it to 1,000. तो उसको straight away 1,000 over x कर दिया.
ओके सर, ठीक है.
Okay, thank you so much for coming.
अल्लाह हाफिज़ सर.
Allah Hafiz.
We'll be right back.